Naomi, move back. Natutuwa. We are waiting for the bus, and then we just discovered that when she breathes, it's like a smoke, it's like a fog coming out on her mouth. So the bus is not. Na-miss kasi namin yung bus, guys. It says on the timetable that it will arrive at 10:55. So 10:54 pa lang. Nakita na namin yung bus. And we are about 2 minutes away from the... What? Oh, we're waiting for the bus. So 2 minutes na lang mararating na namin yung bus stop. Kasi sabi 10:55 that is 10:03 like that. Hindi naman namin pwede madaliin kasi tatawid pa kami ng kasi. Oh yeah, 10:55 the bus is coming. The bus is coming down there. So you need to move back because there's a car. Move a little bit. Good girl. We need to wait for the bus, yeah? Where's the bus coming from? Where?
Yeah.
Oh, you move back. We will wait for the bus. Yeah? Oh, look at that car. Oh, look, there's a lot of pine tree there. Oh, a pine tree. They will do a Christmas. Can you see bus? Can you see bus?
They cut tree.
Yeah, they cut tree.
How did these do
Christmas tree.
tree?
Yeah. Are you feeling bored now? Come on then. This is your toy. A dog. So, di pa namin nakikita yung bus, guys. So imagine we are here since 10:53 ganyan or 10:52. And then the bus will come at 11:11. So medyo matagal na kami nag-aantay, 20 minutes. Kasi nga it's only 2 minutes 3 minutes na early yung bus. Hindi naman kami pwedeng tumakbo ng mabilis kasama yung bata kasi nga ayan we need to cross the road before reach the bus stop. Well, it's only about 4 degrees today. Nakakatuwa yung tatay. Tingnan niyo yung father ko. Nagpupush siya ng babies niya na doggy booster. Are you cold? Aww. Are you sure? I asked Naomi to wear her thick coats because it's cold. In Leeds, it's snowing ka, so ayaw niya. No, put it on. Your head will be cold. Ayan, tinanggal niya, tinanggal niya yung hat niya.
Put it on.
You go, put it on. Oh, like that. Di ko alam kung nilalamig siya o hindi kasi feeling ko hindi naman kasi kung nilalamig siya sasabihin like her hands. She said, "Mommy, my hands are cold." So, nilagyan ko siya ng coat. So, ayan na guys. The bus is coming. Naomi. 1 minute. Yay!